In this video, we're going to go over how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So if I were to give you the example 2 1/3 and I told you to convert that to an improper fraction, how would you do that? Well, our first step would be to multiply the denominator, which is 3, with the whole number, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Our second step is then going to be to add the value that we just got of 6 with the numerator of 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And then our final step, or our third step, is going to be to write a fraction using our final value of 7 as the numerator, and then we're going to use the original denominator as our new denominator. So our final answer is going to be 7/3. Now let's try one more problem, and this time pause the video and try it on your own. But say I were to give you 3 2/5, and I told you to convert that to an improper fraction. How would you do that? Well, once again, we take our denominator of 5 and we multiply it by the whole number of 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And then we add that value of 15 to the numerator of 2. So we're going to have 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. And then that's going to be our numerator for our final answer, so 17. And then our denominator is going to be the original denominator of 5. So 17/5 is our final answer. Now remember, your denominator always stays the same. I hope this video helped. Thank you.